in my last video, I've shown you that how to get the subscription for Gemini Pro for free, and here you will see that how you can use the most viral topic of this internet today, VEO from Google DeepMind. You can use it for free. So if you watch the last video of me, you will see that you can get the subscription for free for 1 month. If you come over to this website and then scroll down, you will see it's offering us Google AI Pro and these features for 1 month absolutely free. So you just need to click on get offer and you get this. Now you can generate your AI video with two options, Gemini or Flow. From Gemini you can just create with text, but here in Flow you can get the audio as well. Now you can generate any prompt from ChatGPT for a video and then copy the prompt, come over to Flow and paste it. Then you can just click on enter and it will take a few moments to generate your video. It's really fast. So okay, let's see.
Brothers, just listen carefully, okay? This whole AI thing Bal said, it's not just a trend. It's actually our future.
Okay, you can see this video is looking so much realistic. With just text we are able to make this video, and we can also download it in good qualities.
Brothers, just listen carefully, okay? This whole AI thing Bal said, it's not just a trend. It's actually our future.
Now we can use another option from here. We can add here any photo of our, and we can use it to make a video as well. Now I have generated an image for Spider-Man walking with a cow in the street, and here I will write a prompt that I got from ChatGPT. Okay, and then enter. Now it will take a few moments. I can just come to ChatGPT and ask to give me a prompt for this photo, and they give me, and I just copy that prompt and give it here, and within 3 minutes it makes a super realistic video. Here you can see the video length is very short, but the quality is top notch, so you can use it. And make sure to check the previous video that how you can get the subscription for free. Okay, thank you for watching.